Hello, my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. Are you ready to draw your family as monsters? Let's do it together. Okay, guys, to draw your family as monster characters, you need your paper, pencils, and something to color with. Alright, let's go. The first thing we're going to do is draw our monster's mouth. And we're starting with an upside down rainbow line or a common U. And we're going to do it all the way out to create the mouth. We're going to repeat that line but do it upside down for the bottom of the line. Let's add 2 eyes. Now, because I want my monster to be fun, I'm going to have a big eye and I'm going to have a small eye. Now, remember, you can do your monsters to look different from mine as long as you are having fun. Okay, let's give our monster a tongue, and we're using a rainbow line for the tongue. And I'm going to give my monster sharp teeth using triangular shapes. So I'm using zigzag lines to give my monster sharp teeth. And for the head, I'm using a big rainbow line. And for the eyebrows and hair, I'm using zigzag lines to create my monster's eyebrows and hair. Don't forget to add your hands and give your monster a nice little body along with legs. Alright, guys, remember your monster can look different from mine. That is okay. The most important thing is to have fun. Now on to my next monster. So for my next monster, I'm going to use a rectangular shape. Now your monsters can take any shape of your choice. And again, I'm making 2 circles for the eyes. One will be a big circle and one will be a small circle. Your monster can look any way you want it to look. Now I have my monster brother and sister, and the last one is going to be me. Don't forget to give your monster a big, nice mouth. My monster has a nice, smiley face with teeth. Don't forget to add your feet, and your feet can look anyhow you want them to look along with your hands. My monster only has 3 fingers, and that is fine. And I'm going to give my monster a cool hairdo, looking all funky and nice. Now I'm going to draw myself. This is my monster right here. And I'm using an oval shape. And because I'm tall, I'm giving my monster really long legs. And I am going to give my monster one big eye and a nice smiley face. Now remember, just have fun with your monster, guys. I am having fun over here. I don't know about you, but I know that because my hands are so long, I'm making my monster hands long and my monster feet long, guys. I am enjoying this, and I hope that you're enjoying it too. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, you can always hit the pause button. You do not have to use a marker to brighten your lines. You can do it if you want to. All right, guys, have fun You can also add a nice background to your artwork to make it look even more beautiful. I added a nice little bow tie to one of my monsters so you can be as creative as you can be. You can always pause the video to match the colors. Guess what, guys? Your artwork looks amazing. You did an excellent job. Give yourselves a round of applause. I love it. I had fun with you in art class today, and I will see you next time. Bye.